all. It's very slippery. Oof. Another one. Close one. Gotta be careful. Alright, this is the tree. The big tree here. This big tree. All covered with snow. Mamma mia. Look at that. Can you dig it? Can I dig it? Very, very snowy though. Very snowy. Yeah, the winds. It's moving the tree. It's moving the tree. That's something. Oh, that is something. It's formidable. Very nice. That's what you call blizzard. Resuscitation. Excuse me for the shaking because I'm working and video taping at the same time. I cannot stand still. It's too cold, so I had to move. But I just want you to see the blizzard in Baltimore County, Windsor, Maryland. Yeah, yeah, I didn't go to work today. I went to yesterday. When I left, it was not like that. And now look, I can't even find my way. So, buddy, how you doing? Oh, that was just show you around Laura. Man, that was something. I think that was going to fall sometime.